Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to create a glow text effect on your Canva on your mobile phone. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to create a glow text effect in your Canva mobile on your mobile application, just going to show. So first step for it, just going to add text here. So adding a normal text here and just type as glow. And I just using the font as just using the font as Leaks Button, so it's actually a bold font. So try to use the font, yeah, this font. So try to make the text as a capital, so it will look great. So now I just going to choose the color for the text first. So I just go with red color and also yellow color, which will have a golden effect. So now just swipe down, you have an option called, you just need to find an option called effect. Click on this. Now just go to the neon effect. Now click on this and just increase the intensity, or you can just make the intensity like this. So now it shows, it's create a neon text effect with a glow effect. So just click on this, go to the effect option, just swipe here and just click on the neon and click on the setting option. Just increase the intensity like this up to 85% like that. Now you can just get this glow text effect on your Canva mobile. You can just save it. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful and also a beautiful day.